Hey everybody. So one of the ways I kind of help fund all these little projects I drag in is picking up random stuff I find and selling it on eBay. And I try to pick stuff that I'm interested in or like because that makes it more fun, right? It's kind of a treasure hunt. I can show you some of the stuff I've already got. So you can see the collection has kind of grown over the years, and some of it I sell and some of it I keep. Well, today I picked up a big old box of interesting stuff, and I paid decent money for it, so I'm curious to see what's in it, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. Looks like we got a bag of cards here, some graphics cards, some network cards. Let's see what all there is. So, I mean, these are interesting, but none of them are really super exciting. There's a bunch of graphics cards, a lot of VGA, some high-def stuff, some network cards. These ISA network cards are kind of interesting. They're older. We got a lot of stuff that's new in boxes. Cooling fan. Oh, there's a Core Duo. What's this here? Core Duo. Would have been hot stuff back in the day. There's a little heat sink. Got some Pentium boards that could use that. Another Core Duo in a box. That's cool. Another Core Duo. There's a whole pile of them. We'll get some of this out and we'll check in. Got a whole box of processors. Some AMD, some OG Intel, some Pentium 4s. A lot of stuff in boxes, and it looks like the stuff in boxes is actually new old stock. A lot of PCU or CPU coolers. A 5 1/4 floppy drive. One more box in here. Looks like we got a couple of motherboards and some old coolers. And still in the wrapper. That's a couple of classics. Keep them CPUs cool. We got some motherboards. Let's see. This looks promising. Pentium 3. There's our maker here. It's an Asus Cubics. That rings a bell. I'll have to look that one up. Another one. This one's a Pentium board, some ISA slots, PT51H. Got some RAM in it. Looks like a full complement of RAM. That one might be worth testing. A little newer. It looks like it's got an AMD CPU in it. That's a socket 7 holder. AGP. I'll have to find a number on it. Oh, there we go. M101. Nice. It came out all right on this mystery box here. But since I'm here, let's talk about this really cool little box of stuff. Original Windows manual. So I'm not 100% sure if all this is all here, but I've got a series of very vintage games, EGA, VGA, with the original boxes. Pretty cool stuff I remember seeing in the software store back in '95 when I was a kid. Black Cauldron 3D animated adventure game. Ain't that cool? It's got the book. Word processor. Look at that. It was $9.95 for a word processor for your IBM PC or Tandy. It contains 3.5 and 5 1/4 discs. What else have we got in this box? Hitachi tablet digitizer. Well, that was probably pretty cool. Monochrome monitor. This looks like a lot of manuals for stuff. Oh, here we have a control card. A joystick interface, T&W Systems. Whoo! That's getting classic. Circuit Lab Type D. Joystick interface. Somebody was getting real advanced. Command and communications. Oh, there's some software. Oh, that's version 2.5 update for Windows 3.1. I really didn't like Windows 3.1. I don't know if y'all liked Windows 3.1, but was not my cup of tea. I liked DOS shell better. There's a DOS boot. Castles, IBM and Tandy compatible startup disk. Interesting. What else we got in here? Some documentation. More Hitachi stuff. What's this down here? Way down here. Ooh. What are these? So these are ferrites for making RFI loops and cables to prevent RF radio frequency interference. That's something. Jet flight simulator. Let's see. Oh, we got discs. We got software. We got installation instructions. A little manual for the quick start discs. Oh, I bet this one was cool. Look at that. That's some top-end CGA stuff right there. Wow. Man, I wish I had the VGA cards that went with this. That would be so cool. I got the manuals. So all in all, not a bad little haul for the weekend. Now I got to get busy and start putting some of the stuff on eBay.